Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Once you see the Honor logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And once the watch boots up, you may see the list of languages on the screen. And if you see it, you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the language you'd like to use and then select it, and once you select it, tap on Next. And now we need to download and install the Honor Health application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone, and once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on Search, then tap on the search bar and type in Honor Health. And on the list of applications, you should see this Honor Health application. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, tap on Open to open it. In the app, tap Next, Agree. Here you can tap on Get Started. And you can allow OrdenID permissions for writing or reading the data from steps and stuff like that. And we have only steps for this app, but usually you have more stuff right here. So allow it or deny it. Next we have permission for the location. You can allow it or deny it. And then we have the notification permission. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. You can allow it or deny it. And once you see the health page of the app, tap on Device, tap on Add Device. As you can see, we need to log in into Honor ID. If you don't have an account, tap on Register and make a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. Okay, and after you log in, you may see this permission pop up about Bluetooth. If you see it, tap on Allow, and here you can customize the app if you like to. I'm gonna tap on Skip for now, and it should redirect you to the device page again. Tap on Add Device. The app will start scanning for the nearby devices, and it should detect your Honor Watch GS3. As you can see, tap on it to select it, tap on Agree, tap on Complete it. Oh no, my bad. First we need to, if you see this page, pairing guide, minimize the app, go to the settings on your iPhone. In settings, find Bluetooth, tap on it, and here you need to wait for the Honor Watch GS3 to appear. Once you see it, tap on it, tap on the check mark to confirm on your watch, and once the watch appears on the list of my devices, go back to the Honor Health application, then tap Complete it, and it will go further. Now tap on Pair, allow OrdenID permission for notifications, tap on Complete, and you should see your Honor Watch GS3 on the list of devices. And if you tap on Begin on your watch, you'll be able to use it. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.